Hi, how are you? My name is Kalila Brown, and I will be making this video to tell you how teachers can use Snapchat in classroom. Now, Snapchat is a mobile app that you can get on your cell phone. You download it from iTunes or Google, and basically it allows you to take pictures and create videos that can only stay on for a couple of seconds. You're also able to have chats. So even though you can't save everything, I still think it's a good reminder. It's a good way for kids to study and also a good way for them to have fun in the classroom. So for an example, if I'm talking about vocabulary words, now we've worked on these vocabulary words in class, what I can do is I can send my students a picture of the vocabulary words to remind them about it. So here's the example. You have the vocabulary words for the week, and I will send that to my students. I will save the picture, and then I will upload it. And then, of course, you get to a screen that says send to, and you pick the people that you want to send it to, and it'll be your students. And then your students will just go to Snapchat, and they will click on your name. And then once you click on the name, it shows you the vocabulary words real quick for like a second, and then the picture goes away. So the vocabulary words, just to remind the students, these are the words for the week. And then also what I would like for them to do with the words is to create images for the words and then write the words on the image. And I'll show you that. So you want to go to camera because you want to take a picture. And I'll take one of the vocabulary words and take a picture of it. So for the example, one of the words is entrepreneur. So I'll take a picture. It can be on your phone, on the internet. Flippancy. So I'll take a picture of a word that reminds me of flippancy. Now what I would do at the top, you can see T at the top, that means text. So I would type in T and I would write in the word flippancy, which means that someone's being disrespectful and they're playing around. So flippancy will come up on the picture, and this right here is an example of what the students will be doing in class. Now they also can go back to text and they can add the vocabulary word as well, or they can just have this picture and say, hey, this picture reminds me of flippancy, and then they can say, oh, that's when someone's being disrespectful or when someone is playing around not being serious. And then after you do that, you can save the picture. And then in the right hand corner, you hit the arrow and then you send it, and they'll send the picture to me. And then I will go to my name. I'll go to my name, Kalila, and I will click on it to look at the picture. And it only lasts for a second. And then I can also do that with a lot of vocabulary words. So I can also do reminders, and this is just an example to remind them of the test that they're going to have. So I'll take a picture of it. This reminder says, quiz on Friday, please study hard, Miss Brown. So I would take that and I would save it on my Snapchat and I would send it to my students. And again, to remind them that they're having a quiz. And then my kids would go to their name and click their name. I'm trying to show it to you. And it'll show it and it'll go away real quick. So that can remind them about the quiz. Also, I can communicate with parents as well. So I'll take a picture. And this says parent teacher conferences. And this is to remind my parents of parent teacher conferences. And I will save that picture and I will send it to my parents. And when my parents are ready, they will go to my name, or they will get they'll get like a little message saying you have a message from this person. And then they will go to my name and they will click on it. And then they will see the reminder of the parent teacher conference. And then also students can also use the Snapchat to talk to each other. You can just text each other through Snapchat. You also can create a video on Snapchat as well. And again, the video can be of the students of what they learned in class that day, or something that they are just reviewing. And I really think Snapchat is a good way for the kids to review. So I wouldn't advise using this to teach something new. I would advise to use Snapchat as a reminder, as a form of studying things that the kids already know. You just want them to review it in a fun way. Thank you.